number of homes for sale this report is down 4% year over year, with days before contract relatively unchanged. However, sellers are netting 3.7% less than last year this same time. It's Friday, February 7th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. 21401 has 45 homes for sale and 5 went under contract over the past week. 21403 has 42 for sale with 3 obtaining contracts. 21409 has 21 for sale and 2 went under contract this report. Annapolis inventory for sale rose to 108 properties. 18 properties are coming soon. 10 homes went under contract in 8 days this past week. 16 homes sold for 96.3% list to sold ratio in 13 days. Rentals rose by 1 to 41 homes, priced at $2,950 median dollars per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, February 7th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.